Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to all of you. Sugary and salty cookies recipe. Small crispy bagels with sesame. Salty butterfly cookies. Powdered sugar, flour cookies. Crispy bagel and butterfly cookie making. 2 kilograms of sifted wheat flour. 50 grams of salt. 100 grams of sugar. 6 eggs. 1 kilogram, alba herbal margarine. 200 grams of anhydrous vegetable margarine. Add ingredients to the dough mixing bowl. Mix the ingredients for up to 5 minutes. You will get a soft consistency dough. Prepare ring-shaped doughs with finger thickness. The salted butterfly cookie is made with the same paste, only the shape is different. Place the butterfly cookies on the baking tray. A process to cover the bagels with sesame seeds. Add some grape molasses into cold water. Add the simits into the mixture. Remove the bagels from the water with molasses, and cover them with plenty of sesame. Put sesame-coated bagels in the baking tray. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who supported me on this subject. press the butterfly cookies with your hand so that they are flat. Mix some yeast, sugar and egg yolk. Crush yeast and sugar and dissolve. Add yeast into egg yolk and mix. Smear the egg yolk on the cookie with a brush. Add plenty of sesame. Cookies in the oven, ready for baking. Cook 200 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the cookies from the oven and leave to cool down. After cooling, you can eat with pleasure. Powdered sugar, flour cookie recipe. 2 kilograms of flour, sifted wheat flour. 1 kilogram of dehydrated vegetable oil. 600 grams of powdered sugar. Yes, only 3 kinds of material are made fault with. A very simple and very tasty snack for me. Add ingredients to the dough mixing bowl. Preparation of the dough will take a little longer. Mix for 30 minutes. You'll get a soft textured dough. Give a long shape by rolling. Create lines on top with fork. Cut with knife. Place on the baking sheet. Flour cookies, ready for baking. (170°), 15 or 16 minutes.
170 16 dakika.
Remove flour cookies from the oven. Add powdered sugar with a fine sieve. After cooling, you can eat with pleasure. We have come to the end of a detailed video description prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched videos and supported me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe video.